Now we're talking about more wet weather here in the Northwest. I know we really haven't had much of a break. Well, this next system is going to be quite powerful as well, as it's going to have a lot of moisture to work with. And what's happening is all this moisture is working along a very powerful portion of the jet stream. So we continue that onshore flow that will deliver some very gusty winds here to the shoreline, to the coastal range, and also to the Cascades. Some of the biggest impacts again throughout the weekend, Seattle toward Portland in terms of heavy rainfall. And also notice here we're talking about heavy snow above the passes. Those snow levels are actually going to rise because the wind flow is so strong out of the south and the west. And notice where we do have flood watches, also winter weather advisories in effect here in anticipation for some heavy rain here in and around Seattle and also heading in toward Portland. Of course, we've already had, again, over an inch of rain. Some areas 2 to 3 inches of rain with the last system. So we put this into motion. Notice the onslaught of precipitation working its way on in as we go throughout the day, right on into the overnight hours. But we'll start to see a transition early next week. Look what happens here. We're going to be drying things out. More sunshine. Storm track shifts off to the north, and we're going to be talking about milder temperatures. That starts Monday, but notice the rain the first half of the weekend here in Portland. Meanwhile, further off to the south, we're going to be also drying things out here into the southwest. High pressure slides east, and what does that mean? Lowering humidity, warmer temperatures, increased fire danger, and this really starts to peak as we have the offshore flow venturing into early next week, and we're really going to start to toast here over southern portions of California, and that means very high fire danger, very low amounts of relative humidity here. And to notice where we already have the excessive heat watches, there's already red flag warnings in effect here, not in effect currently, but in anticipation for those very high fire danger concerns. And look at this in LA by Monday, up to the century mark.